gonna leave this place soon and we're gonna drive to Bicol. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it because we're gonna be driving at night and we'll be arriving early in the morning. So let's see. Alright guys, we're finally finished dito sa lugar na to. We're gonna go to my uncle's place. Look at this high ace guys, smoke tail. That was a Toyota Wigo. It's like one of those new ones. Well, not new ones, but like the Honda. That one's like the smallest Yaris here. It's tiny. Pretty cool. Wala.
Vlog yan.
Mga pinsan ko yan guys. So. Dami dito.
Vlog daw, vlog. Vlog daw.
Ay, di pala kayo kasama sa...
Vlog daw kay me, vlog daw. Vlog yan.
Pasok eh.
Welcome to his vlog. Welcome to his vlog.
We're gonna go soon, guys. We're in the bus, in the van. We're gonna drive to Bicol. 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours. Yeah. We made it to our first stop, guys. We are at our what's this place?
Truck stop.
Something hindi kita siya ano. Hindi kita oh. Yun oh. Something karinderya eh. Ano ba to? Karinderya ba to? Hindi ko alam.
Truck stop na.
Basta. Dito yung buong pamilya. Sinugod namin to. We're all eating here. I'm gonna go drive here.
Hirap na hirap sila.
Oh, hirap yan. We're gonna go drive here in Philippines for the first time. Sana okay lang tayo. Awa ng Diyos.
Hello.
Hi, baby!
Baby,
Love you! Iiyak na yan. Ay, diba?
Ano nyo?
Alam mo, tita.
Naku, mamaya ka. Ay, mapalit.
Uy, Sandy!
Hehehe, nakarating na. Layo nyo ah. We made it, guys. Nakarating na po kami. We made it to Bicol. Nakita na yung mga iba namin mag-anak dito. Ito tingnan na lang si tatay. Nakikita kami tatay. May tricycle ba? Layo pala na lakaran. Grabe no. Okay guys. We're gonna go see my grandfather now. Great, no not great. Lulu's great grandfather. But my grandfather. See how he reacts. Ay! Sila! Buti sumaka sa inyo!
Siyempre! Sama yan
Ay!
sa akin.
Kita! Kita mo kayo. Tay! Kumusta pa? Kumusta si Ken? Kalala niyo po ba ako? Kasama ko po si Eben. Kasi yung anak ko nandun, nakikita niya siya. Kunin ko, teka lang. Good morning. It's our first morning here in Bicol. Finally, we're gonna have some food. I think we're gonna have a bit of a party later. we killed the water. We're fixing it. Morning. Hey. Nagsukahan daw ni Denise guys. Karamihan ng mga
Last time punta namin, sobrang dami. Puno-puno yan lahat. Patay.
Englishin ko na natin. Most of the people from Manila guys are they're not used to driving long months of hours. So they have motion sickness. Motion sickness yun sa ano? Sa kotse, aeroplano.
Yung parang ngayon.
Oh, basta whenever you feel dizzy lang. Feel dizzy, yun talaga.
Alam ko, 5 minutes mag-ready na tayo. Kami mo pala.
Iwan mo muna. Hindi na lang umin ko kanina sa alas sa bibig mo eh.
Today guys, for today, bibidyo okay sila.
Kahit ayaw kong maging kapitalista,
samahan nyo muna ako guys. Samahan nyo muna ako. Samahan nyo muna ako dito guys. Kasi, gaano tayo ngayon. Yan, lagay muna na cellphone natin dyan. Yan, lumabas na tayo dito. Yan na. Say hi, yo.
Hello. Hi guys, welcome to my guys. I vlog, welcome to my guys.
Nagbabasa siya.
Reader tayo, reader.
Ito, nakapanganga. Ano yung mga naglalaro? Zayo, say hi ka, Zayo. Say hi ka. Hi ka, hi. Oh, gilid lang ako, gilid. Dumi boto.
Para kang teacher. Hey ma'am. Wala, di siyang teacher eh. Wapea.
Under moonlight skies with you, I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
Dito, manager ng bangko yun.
Sino yung kasama niya? Synchronize sila mag... Ang babait ninyo, thank you!
Wow!
Ayun, pinapin niya agad. Pinapin natin yung iba.
I got it in my hands like a kid. Okay guys, we just finished eating with my cousins.
Hello!
Oh, ano pet model yan oh. Single ka ba? Single ka? Uy! Comment guys! Mga interesado nyo. Sa mga Australia guys, if you're interested. Wow! Hello! Hindi naman niya alam kung maganda na kayo ah. Hindi naman makasama. Guys, my foot. This is mud. Nulayon! Sama? Oh. Okay. Okay, we made it, guys. So muddy. Wow, look at this. Whoa! Oh, baka dyan na po kayo tumaob.
Nakakabahan ako, kuya.
Ito po tayo sa tricycle. Nasa bubong. Dito sa Pinas pwede. Sa taas ng tricycle. Oh, lapit eh.